Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. And this is what I've been saying for the last 3 months. Ever since January, our market has been highly volatile. And today, we can say, today is the peak of that volatility. Morning, there were some positive signals. It's only Indian ships crossed Straits of Hormuz. No other ships crossed. And that was considered as a positive news. Moreover, Asian markets like Japan, Korea, Hong Kong, those markets were trading slightly positive by the time our market opened. US futures were higher. But despite that market open, it went up, then came down by 150 point, again came up by 150 point, again came down by 300 point and broke 23,000 on the downside. And then from there shot up 500 point. Then again in the last 10-15 minutes, I fell 150 points. The total swing today is easily 5 to 6%. One good thing is that India VIX has come down. But remember, last time also the India VIX came down by roughly about 10%. But the very next day, market started falling. Very next day, the volatility increased. But today, the fall in India VIX is not very high. It's just less than 5%. Now the people are more cautious. As and when market go higher, people are using this opportunity to buy some put options for hedging. So that's why the premium did not crash much. So that's why the India VIX did not go like 10%, 12%. It came down only less than 5%. And next one, today it looks like clearly the game of domestic institutions. And the domestic institutions were all out to support this market. But what about FIIs? US and Israel bombing the Iran and decimating the Iran. And these FIIs are bombing the Indian stock market and decimating the Indian stock market. Less than 3 months, and sometimes in the first week of January, we hit a fresh all-time high, around 26,400. From there, imagine market coming and breaking 23,000. And earlier I told you that 23,000 is supposed to be a good support. But luckily, today, the moment Nifty broke 23,000 and the support came and the markets reversed. So, market will take support, market will reverse only when the short sellers, by seeing the huge profit, when they are tempted to book the profits. So otherwise the markets are not going to reverse. But by the way, European markets open higher. US futures are also trading very, very firmly higher. So that has added a positive sentiment here. Even right now, the GIFT Nifty indicating another 100 point gap up for tomorrow morning. Even after our market close, even US futures are moving higher. So, very, very high volatility or the peak of the volatility. It happens either at the bottom formation process or at the top formation process. Now, definitely 23,000 cannot be the top. If 23,000 is a spot, that's it. For next 10 years, Indian market will not go anywhere. So, it's reasonably, we can assume that this 23,000 is the bottom. So, today's huge volatility is the bottom formation setup, bottom formation volatility. Because, if FIIs are selling aggressively, the DIs may not buy aggressively if they don't see the value. But now maybe 23,000, maybe they see a very good value. Even a lot of, yesterday I met one friend in Mumbai. He said he put some money in mutual funds, not mutual funds, PMS. So he said that his PMS is holding 93% cash. That's because he started the PMS about 1 month before only. Now see how careful these people, They are just not even deploying 10% because the market. So, when markets come to this level, so they may slowly deploying 10% like that. However, let me tell you one thing. Today, what has happened is just a short covering. It's not because of the fresh buying. If it is because of the fresh buying, the buying should have happened across the board. Look at the next 50, look at the mid cap, look at the small cap, everything is down. The market is up. Why the market is up? Because which are the three top stocks in India? Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. And domestic institutions, they do not want the market to be in panic. So they do not want, Nifty to fall below 23,000. So probably they would have put a huge amount of buy orders in HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries. So that is why at the index level, Nifty level, market has gone up, but mid cap negative, small cap negative, next 50 also negative. Bank Nifty, morning I saw it was trading around 300 plus. After another 1 hour, I saw it was trading minus 300. After another 1 hour, I saw it was trading plus 300. So plus 300, minus 300, plus 300, minus 300. Finally, the PSU banks also moved higher, right? But what is very, very pathetic, it is still the IT stocks. And look at the TCS, we do not know. Today only I just posted in my social media, you can find the bottom in a ocean, but it's going to be very difficult to find bottom in these IT stocks, and especially TCS. 5-year return, negative return, and last 1 year high was 4,500 plus. Now it is 2,400 minus. And I also bought some shares when it came to 3,000. And still market keeps falling. And I keep selling call option, but I'm getting 10 rupees, 20 rupees in call option. But it's not going to compensate the big loss on the cash market. So there are some signs of bottoming out. But at the same time, as I told you today morning, one day market can go higher, one day volatility index can go down. But next day, if there is any headline news, things can change overnight. So still the war is not over there. So until the war is over, by the time the official news comes, the war is over, but probably the market may be another 2 to 3% higher. But it doesn't matter. You can pay a higher price, but you will have a mental satisfaction that, the downside is limited. But until the war is going on, you will not know where is the bottom. Unless you know how to hedge your portfolio through options, so you don't enter into the market right now. So that is my actual view. So today we have to watch for this FII DII data. It's going to be very, very interesting. I think if a domestic institution should have pumped in a huge amount of money. But I can tell you one thing. Sometimes in 2013, that time Nifty was around 18-19% down. Right? And then one day market opened and the Nifty was down another 2%. And then sometimes in the second half of the session, suddenly there was a buying. The buying was so huge and Nifty moved from minus 2% to plus 4%. And that day there were reports that LIC has come into the market. So LIC, they come only when the markets are real in panic. But I do not know whether today LIC have come into the market. We have to wait for some reports. We have to wait for some data from some news channels to get some data. And then I'll tell you, in 2013, the day when LIC came into the market, and after that, until today, that day's low was not tested. If I talk more, then it will become more political, right? During Congress period, they know that we are depending upon the FII money. Sometimes if there is any global issues, these FIIs may go away. So that time, in order to support the market, they kept LIC as a reserves. But what has happened in BJP government? The BJP government does not believe in savings. The BJP government believes in spending. So that's why in income tax, they brought one new tax regime and old tax regime. If you choose the old tax regime, you can ask for exemptions, but your tax benefit is very, very less. And even the government is pushing the people to go to new tax regime. You can go from old to new tax regime, but you cannot go from new to old tax regime. So that means they want to push you to new tax regime. So this new tax regime does not encourage you to save. All the people take LIC policy not to save their life, just to save the tax. So because of that, LIC was a very, very profitable company. Now, because of the government policy that, they are encouraging you to spend more, not to save more, and forget about LIC saving the market. LIC could not save its own shares. And its own LIC shares, is hugely underperforming for the last few years. So that is one. And then, there are more things, there are some reports, the government is asking LIC to invest in particular group of stocks. So then one thing is that their profit is less. Then whatever the profit is there, they put the money in one group of stocks. Then when the market come into the panic like this, LIC naturally cannot save. But in 2013, it was the LIC that saved the market. So anyway, we will wait. So today there can be n number of reasons. And maybe like FII selling may be less, or DI buying may be more, or because, short sellers decided to cover the shorts because by looking at the European markets and US markets. So there can be n number of things may be there. So we will wait. We will know in a day or two, whether this 23,000 is going to be a strong support or not. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.